Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you ready to sell your digital product on Etsy? In this tutorial, we will guide you throughout the process of creating and listing digital products on Etsy, helping you reach potential customers. So, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, if you didn't know already, Etsy have the option of selling digital products on it. So you can literally sell and basically have whatever digital product you own sold on their platform. It gives a lot of benefits, such as it is a very known platform for selling. You will have like thousands and millions of customers checking Etsy every day, which there is a high chance for them to check your account. And other than Amazon, there is less competitive market in Etsy than Amazon. So for example, if you just worked, as you can see here, let's just take a simple. For example, here, as you can see, even like the products, they are not working very hard on the thumbnails. They are just pretty simple. If we really worked on something that could literally attract people, you will really have a lot of things to sell, and people here are selling. I'm telling you, like, that's pretty simple. This is the student notebook, and look how many people are buying it. It is $1 each for like thing, and this person has made 1.9k, which is $2k simply by selling it. So you can see here that people are very much interested in buying from Etsy. Here with this guy with 22k, like, this is amazing, guys. And this is, by the way, just with the coupon, so it's around $4 for this. So if you basically multiply 22k and 4, that's gonna be a very big number. It's gonna be around 90k, so it is 88k, so 90k in total. So you can literally make a lot of money. Now, how can we start selling digital products on it? So first of all, you need to understand what kind of digital product are they selling in here. So digital products can be very varies. So they sell here templates. For example, Excel templates. I have here already made like a templates which can be sold. So this is a template that people are actually into it. People actually want something like that, but something more interesting than that, of course, with like people that are interested in the data analytics, where they need graphics. They will need some kind of like commands in here. Of course, there's much more things to add to this table, but this is like an idea on what people are looking for. They might be other pages that are connected to the first page, so there is a lot of things that can make people's job and task and life easier just in Excel. Imagine how many people can have their whole job tracked by Excel in few minutes, instead of doing a whole day of tracking their things. Like, it's gonna be taking a lot of time. So have an Excel that is well made, well organized, and well algorithmed, that will help them a lot, and they're gonna pay money for it. So how can we sell that? Well, simply, now let me just close, go to Etsy and go to your account. First of all, when you create your account, you have to go to shop manager, so you can set up your shop, and here you have to go through some steps. So the first step is by giving your shop preferences. So just keep it English, United States, depending what you want exactly, of course. Here, change it to whatever you want. Here, name your shop, let's say digital products, something like that. Save and continue. Digital is products, digital escape products. I don't know, just give me something. Oh, no spaces, Damien. So there we go. And here, as you can see, we need to choose what kind of product are we going to sell. So here, simply go for digital files, and category, just choose the category of your files. For example, for me, I'm going to sell templates, so let's go with templates. Let's add here digital. Where is it? There we go. So you could choose like once in a time, but as you can see, this is basically what you could go for. For me, I'm just going with templates, planner template, etc. Here, who made it? Basically I did it. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things, and basically save to continue. And when you made it, 2020 and 2024, save and continue. So here, let's go and fulfill this page. So first of all, let's give it a title. Here, let's close that. So let's give it a title. I'm going to name it, for example, Excel sheet for your school. Oh, my bad. Excel sheet to track class activity. There we go, something like that. Here I'm going to add an image. You could add up to 10 photos in one video. So let's add one photo that I have taken as a screenshot. So this is basically a photo which works as a screenshot of my Excel sheet. Here I'm going to dismiss that, adjust thumbnail in case you want to adjust it. Here, digital files. Yeah, this is the important place where you have to upload that specific file. So here I'm going to select it, and as you can see, it has been uploaded. Here I'm going to give it a description. Let me just go here. We can go to ChatGPT to ask it for it, but we're not really interested right now. You could, but I mean, let's go ahead and show to you how to make one. So I have an Excel sheet that I'm selling. I want a description for it. It's for tracking class activity. And let's go. Let's copy all of this, and there we go. Now let's copy it, add it right here, and we can make it something better. Alright, so class activity tracker Excel sheets keep your class activities organized and streamlined with their comprehensive class activity, etc, etc. Key features: activity log, assignment tracker, students progress. That's perfect. That's already what we want. So here, just give it a price, for example, $2. And here you will see the profits. Here, quantity, it is basically unlimited, so we can do something like that, and that's pretty much it. So now we can save and continue, and our product has been added. So we simply have now to go throughout the other steps, that's like where are gonna be paid and basically completing our store. And that's pretty much it, guys. So thank you guys all for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.